Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Wealth Alert, where I remain your great guide into making money through simplified tutorials on how to navigate the crypto space prudently to make profits. Our discussion today will be like a follow-up on how to earn 30 or more to $500 or more from your CoinGecko app. For those who have not watched this video, I advise you to go and watch it. And for those who are not claiming their candies, I advise you to go and watch. Click on the link on the description box and begin to claim your CoinGecko candies. Because when opportunities avail themselves, you use the candies to make claims and earn massive profits. And remember, these candies, are not buying them, you are only claiming them on a daily basis, waiting for opportunities to come up. So after we leave this page, we'll jump onto our CoinGecko app, where we'll dive into the discussion for the day. Stay tuned, and I enjoin you, if you are new to my channel, to click on the subscribe button and like and share our videos for others to also benefit and enjoy in this wealth of knowledge that you are gaining. We are on our CoinGecko page. It has opened up. For those who are already mining the CoinGecko candies, you will need to update your CoinGecko app before you can successfully participate in this particular airdrop. So to those who are new, you can still watch it to give you a boost on claiming your candies on a daily basis. So we'll click on this our candy here. You can see for today I have claimed my candy for today. So I'm coming back the following day for continuous claiming. So for those who are already claiming, that already have candy in their CoinGecko app, this video is for you. So you click on this your browse rewards here. So we'll click on it and it's opening up. So today an opportunity was dropped from this year token raffle that you need only 300 candies to use to participate in this opportunity. It's a raffle. It's a SEER token raffle. So we are going to be clicking on it. Even if you are new in mining in collecting these candies, as long as you have 300 in your collections, you can participate. So here is what the whole airdrop is all about. It says raffle, that is 100,000 SEER, including 5 times scare packages. That is telling you that, and then please take note of the date. It's lasts between now and the 23rd of August. So it therefore means that whatever you are doing, you need to participate between now and the 23rd of August. And I don't know when you'll be watching this video. If you are watching it as early before the 23rd of August, congratulations, because you have a chance to benefit from this. This is a raffle, so you may participate, you may be successful, you may not be successful. But there's no harm in trying, because you are not spending a dime, you are only using the candies that you have collected to participate. So this is how to use. It's been stated here. They said the SEER Foundation and CoinGecko have teamed up to give away 5,000 SEER tokens each to 5 winners in an exclusive raffle, and 75,000 SEER tokens will be shared among the remaining verified raffle participants. So all you need to do is, for all CoinGecko users, is to have sufficient candies. That is the most important thing. Just for you to have sufficient candies. I strongly believe if we are not among the lucky 5,000 participants, at least we can be among the lucky remaining verified ones that can also benefit from this opportunity. So to participate, you just log in to your CoinGecko and then you use your candies to click on redeem. So we'll proceed. But while I'm going through these instructions, is for us to know that it's not an automatic win. It is an opportunity. So we just participate. If we are among the lucky ones, we will win. And then one of the things we should also take note is that it says that in order to successfully participate in the raffle, you are required to fill in your details and provide a SEER wallet address. You may download a SEER wallet via Compass or Fin wallet. You either get your SEER wallet address through this tool, that is the Compass or the Fin wallet, or I will still show you the different exchanges in which SEER has been listed. So you can either get from there, that is if you're already using those exchanges. And it still repeats that 5 winners will get 5,000 SEER tokens, and the remaining 75,000 SEER tokens will be shared among the remaining verified winners, and winners will be announced September 7th. And then when we proceed down, we click on the highlights. It still gives us additional information about it, and then you click on the terms and conditions. It tells you that the SEER token raffle will run from Wednesday 16th till Wednesday 23rd August. So I strongly believe that if you don't watch this video now and you are still privileged to watch it till August the 22nd, you still have the opportunity to participate. And it said each user can redeem a maximum of one. So even if you have 1,000,000 candies, you can only redeem a maximum of one raffle ticket. So stick to it to avoid being disqualified. And it also says that redeeming this reward grants one user entry to participate in the SEER token raffle. So once you redeem, it grants you an entry to participate. And in order for you to successfully participate, you are required to submit your details via a Google form. We will still go there for you to see it. And then users may be disqualified from the raffle if found suspicious of malintent, that is, leaking the unique candy rewards code provided. So the candy code will still get there. The code given to you is for you alone, not for you to use and give to others to use. And they say winners and verified raffle participants will be airdropped by the SEER network team within 3 weeks after the raffle ends. So you can also check their terms and conditions. And we proceed now. Clicking on the about, it just tells you that SEER is the fastest layer 1 blockchain designed to scale with the industry. It is built to provide basic infrastructure for any kind of exchange, from gaming exchanges to NFTs and DeFi. So this is a little information about them, and this information will also be helpful to you when you are filling the Google form. So what you are to do next is to click on this redeem now here. Once you click on it, it takes you to my rewards. That is, you have successfully clicked on it. It takes you to this page. Look at it. It's still within. Let me scroll back so you will understand. This is where you were. This browse rewards, where you clicked using your candies, and after clicking, it took you to this other page, which is where we are now. So on this page, you'll still come back and click. So we'll be clicking on it now. So after clicking on it, it opens up. It shows you your code, your redemption code, and it asks you to paste this code at the checkout page of the store's website. Then what we have to do next is to copy this code here, and then you click on use now. Once you click on use now, it redirects you to the Google form. I have filled my form, but I will still explain it. Let's get there, though it will not show in details. You can see it says I have already responded to my form. So on this form that I have responded to, let me give a little guide. There was a portion that asks for your email address. You will type in your email address. Then a portion asks for your that is SEI, your C token address. So the purpose of coming here is for us to explain how to get your SEI token address for avoidance of doubt. Then to ask you a little question for you to fill in, then you now click submit. So now we'll proceed to our how to get your CA token address so that we will not make mistakes when filling this form. Remember, it was said here that you are required to fill in your details with your CA wallet address. You may download either this Compass or this Fin wallet. And if you choose not to download these two, we can also see, we can check CA out on our CoinGecko to see exchanges where it is being listed by clicking on this search icon. Then we'll type the token we are after, which is CA. It's opening up. So we'll click on it for us to get more information about this CA token. So we'll now click on these exchanges. We'll move to these exchanges that will show the different exchanges that CA is being launched. And do bear in mind, this is the price of CA token that you are going to be airdropped. It's opening up. So the exchanges, we can now see here are the different exchanges that CA is already being listed. This particular airdrop is not for a coin that is about to be listed. It's a coin that's already listed that is partnering with CoinGecko to carry out a raffle draw. So if you don't have a Binance account, you can see it's listed on Gate.io, BitGet, Binance, Huobi, Bybit, KuCoin, Mex. I'm trying to pick the most popular ones. So I strongly believe you may have one of these. But peradventure you don't have, you can download those two exchanges that were listed in the raffle draw process information. But I'll take you to, we'll check how to copy from Binance, from our Bybit and our Mex, because there's a little difference between the Mex, the Bybit and the Binance. So now we're on our Binance app. What you need to do next is to click on your wallet. I've clicked on it. It's opening up. Next, you select your spots. So we're on our spot section of the wallet. So you click on deposit because what you're after is the wallet address. You click on deposit. It's opening up. Then you type in the coin, the name of the coin, the crypto that you are searching. So the name of this particular one is SEI, SEI. So select it. So it operates strictly on the SEI network. You can see it has opened. Here's our wallet address for our SEI. But you should bear in mind that on Binance, it says that you must add this CMO. You can see it here. They say memo is required or you will lose your coins. So if you are copying your CA deposit address from your Binance, you have to copy this and this at the same time. You copy this and paste, and copy this and add to it. That's why I said I want to show us how to copy our CA wallet address. You first copy this before you come back and copy this on the place where you are required to put in your wallet address. That is for Binance. We'll go to our Mex. Here's our Mex exchange. Just like Binance, you will click on your wallet. It will open up. You click on deposit. It's opening up. Then on the search bar, you also type in the name of the coin you are looking for. You click on it. It's opening up. Here's the network. You click on it. On the Mex, here is the wallet address. I don't know how Mex did it, but Mex has modeled up their wallet address together with their meme token. So you copy and you go to your Google form and paste it. I just believe we understand. And for still more clarity, we can proceed to our Bybit account. Here's our Bybit. So for our Bybit users, for avoidance of doubt, we'll still click on the assets. Here, the word instead of wallet used here is assets. Once we click on our assets, it opens up. Then you click on this deposit here, just like the others. Then on the search bar, you type in the crypto you are searching for. You can see here has popped up. It opens and it tells you that to ensure a seamless deposit experience, please ensure that you use both the SEER deposit address and the SEER deposit memo/tag when making a deposit. Failure to do so may result in loss of funds. So you click OK. So here is the wallet address on Bybit, and here is the deposit token. That is the memos, the tag. So you need to copy these two and add. So I strongly believe with this detailed explanation on how to copy your SEER wallet address, my subscribers and other users will not find it difficult to proceed with this SEER token raffle. So why don't you jump in, use your candies that you have to claim to participate in this particular opportunity. And for the avoidance of doubt again, you can still go to a calculator for you to see why you need not to play with this opportunity. So remember, on the CoinGecko app, it shows that the price of this token it's as we speak, it's at 0.1884. So if you go to your calculator, you type 0.1884, and you are now opportune to be the winner of the 5,000, the 5 lucky winners that will get 5,000 of this same token. So see what you are going home with. You have made yourself a whopping sum of $942 just by using your 300 candies to claim. So you can now see why the CoinGecko apps gives you opportunity to make good money aside using your own fund, just using their candies to claim. And then peradventure, they give all the other verified users, let's assume they give them, let's even say it's even at a 1,000, this is what you have made just by using your candies. So I strongly urge all of us that are participating in this claiming of our candies to participate in this particular CoinGecko opportunity, and we watch out for more opportunities to ensure that any opportunity we see that will put food on our table, that will give us money, we don't play and miss it. So see you soon in more videos where I'll be sharing more money making tutorials and on different strategies to still earn in the crypto space. See you soon, and watch out for my videos as I still plead with you that if you are new, you click on the subscribe button. And if you've been watching and following my tutorials and you've not yet subscribed, I enjoin you to please click on the subscribe button and give me a like, thumbs up, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.